In this video, I'll show you how you can customize the layout in Rainbow Six Mobile. All you have to do is launch the game on your mobile or on your device, and then from the home page, tap on the settings wheel icon in the top right corner, and then select touch controls, and then from here choose customize layout. Now from here you can simply tap on any icon and drag it to the position that you'd like, so you can drag it there. Alternatively, you can increase the size of this particular icon. So tap on the icon and then you should see the scale slider icon, and then you can increase the size if you want, and also you can increase the opacity if you'd like. So do the same for all the other icons whereby you want to drag them all. You can select them to any location that you'd like, and then once you're done, simply select save and quit, and that will be a new layout in Rainbow Six Mobile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.